Now a 5-minute break is over, guys, and the next question in front of you is construct parsing table for the following grammar. So on the basis of the knowledge we have discussed on the operator precedence parsing table, again one important question is in front of you. The grammar is given to you like that: A derives B, arrow symbol. Arrow symbols means this arrow symbol is here, means you can write this derivation as A derives B, then arrow symbol is here, and A, and then B. Okay, so this arrow symbol is basically nothing but it is a terminal. And then B ampersand C, or C derives D at the rate C and D, and D derives A. So this is the grammar which is given to you. Now you need to answer, you need to construct parsing table for it, guys. So I am giving you 3 minutes to answer this. Just construct parsing table in your by taking pen and paper, and answer me in the chat box that whether you are able to construct the parsing table using operator precedence parsing or not. Just answer me, guys. Just try this question on in your notebook and answer me. If you have done this question, comment done so that I can discuss the solution and proceed for the next question. So I am giving you 3 minutes. Check it is a operator grammar or not. If it is not operator grammar, make it operator grammar, and then construct parsing table for it. Guys, are you trying? Are you solving the question or not? Okay. It is the operator precedence like A greater than okay, very good. Ampersand, at the rate ampersand, and very good. Very good, Soumya. You have answered it correctly. Very good. I am requesting other candidates as well. Please answer it as soon as possible. Soumya has done it correctly and fastly. Very good. Just need to do it as fast as possible because it is very easy question. Very easy question. You just need to use the rules of parsing table, means the rules of operator precedence parsing table, and apply the concepts in it and answer the question. Nikhil, done. Nagarkoti, done. Very good, guys. Please, other candidates also answer the question so that I can discuss the solution then. Okay, now focus here. Focus here. How many terminals basically we have? Starting from the uppermost side, one terminal that we have is a arrow symbol, that is this one. After that we have ampersand, so I need to write ampersand here, and then we have at the rate, so at the rate should be here, and then we have A. So these are the 4 terminals which existed in my operator grammar. So I will write it like that. Okay, now I need to compare it. So when I will compare it, arrow and arrow, so only one arrow is existed, so no, you can say that no, you can simply say that no checking would be there for arrow and arrow. Hello guys. And if you will compare, so and if you want to answer it, then A existed on the right hand side of arrow, so you can simply say that it arrow is a right associative, so you can also answer it like rightmost associative, but I leave it blank because only one arrow was there. So there is no need of any associativity. Associativity is used where we have more than one arrow in the same grammar. At that time associativity is used, but here only one arrow is there. That is why I didn't I leave it blank earlier, but for your so you can't get confused, that is why I am adding this one here. Now if you will see that A is on the lowest most side, A existed on the lowest most side, so it will have highest precedence, it will have highest precedence, it will have highest precedence. In this A, only alone A is there, so no comparison will be there between A and B because only A existed here. Now if we'll go with the at the rate A, then it is the second most symbol which is the which have highest precedence, so I can write it like it is a highest precedence than dollar highest precedence. But at the rate your A is having highest, so at the rate and at the rate, so at the rate if you will see, at the rate is again right associative, so I will write it like here m percent, and m percent is the next second highest next it is third highest now. So m percent and dollar, m percent is having highest precedence, m percent m percent. So m percent if you will, it is a left associative, m percent is left associative because B existed, that is leftmost symbol existed on the left hand side, that is why it is a leftmost associative, so I will use here at the rate, so I will use here. And this is having list precedence, so guys it is the operator precedence table, means the precedence of A is greater than at the rate, it is greater than m percent, and it is greater than arrow. A is don't having any associativity, at the rate you can say that it is right associative, and m percent is left associative, and arrow is your right associative. So guys, is it clear? M percent m percent m percent, m percent is having left associative, and at the rate is having high right associative. So is it clear guys or not? Is it clear to all the candidates or not guys? Is this question clear to all candidates? Please comment so that we can proceed for the next. Clear, very good. Now next question, it is a get 2 marks question guys. It is get 2 marks question in front of you. Question given to you that x jor y, basically it can be written like x and jor operation is given here, this jor operation is given here, then y you have and y, and the next symbol do you have is y derives z multiplication y and z, and z derives a. So which of the following is true? Option A, B, C, D. Among A, B, C, D, which of the following is right answer? I am giving you guys 2 minutes. 2 minutes to all the candidates. Please answer and grasp 2 marks in the gate. It is very important previous year gate question. Ashik has answered, Nagarkoti has answered. Okay, I will check it out. I will scan each and every option and then I will deduce the which is the correct answer, right? So I am requesting all the candidates that scan all the options one by one and then answer that which is the correct answer, means which of the following is true. And if it is a false, why it is false? You need to analyze it as well. That if it is a false, why it is false? If it is a true, why it is true? You need to analyze it on your own. I am giving you 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will discuss the solution. It is very important question from operator precedence parsing, which was asked in the previous year GATE exam for 2 marks. Very, very important question. Okay. Soumya has answered, Piyush has answered, Poshali has answered, Nikhil, Nagarkoti, Ashik has answered. Okay. So guys, now I am discussing the solution of this question. Okay. Is anybody left who didn't give answer, guys? Is anybody left who didn't give the answer? Siddhi, are you attending today's session? Saksham, Sabrina, Manjit. Okay. Okay. So I am answering this question, guys, today. I am answering this one now. Option A, operators JOR and multiplication symbol have left associative. So if you will observe this JOR is a left associative. So it is true, but star, it is not left associative. It is a right associative. That is why statement A is false. Statement B, JOR and star have left associative. Again, it is false. Same statement. Now it is false. JOR is left associative and star is right associative. So statement C. So I can see that it is a very easy question and you can get 2+ marks in GATE. This is the real question in the compiler design they are expecting from you guys. If you are able enough to answer this kind of questions, you can get 100% marks free with the just knowledge of compiler design concepts. You do not need to worry about it because this is the real examples which were asked in GATE exam. So I hope you all are getting the patterns and level of GATE exam and are getting ready each day with some new concepts. Right now, one more question is in front of you. It is also GATE 2 marks question. GATE 2 marks question. Now I am giving you 2 more minutes to answer this question. This is the fresh question. Question is, consider the grammar. Grammar is given to you and you need to answer which of the following statement is true. 4 statements are in front of you. I am giving you 2 minutes to answer this question. After that I will discuss the solution. You need to answer it. After that I will discuss the solution of it, guys. Try to answer this question. I am giving you 2 minutes to answer this question.
Sir, can you share your screen, sir?
Sir, I have shared my screen, sir. Sir, screen is on shareable mode, sir.
Abhi aa raha, sir. You can continue.
Okay. So this is the question, guys. This is a GATE 2 marks question. GATE 2 marks question. It is a GATE 2 marks question in front of you. Is screen is visible to all the candidates, guys? Is screen is visible to all the candidates? This is GATE 2 marks question. You need to answer. Okay, now visible. Okay, so guys, you need to answer this question. I am giving you 2 minutes to answer this question, and after 2 minutes I will discuss. I will scan each option one by one and I will tell you that what statement is true and what statement is false and why it is true or false, right? So just try in 2 minutes and then I will answer. So I am expecting everybody to answer the question, guys. I am expecting every candidate to answer the question. Okay, give answers, guys. Give answers. This is the real GATE question, GATE 2 marks question. If you are able to solve such kind of questions, means you are okay with operator precedence parsing. Because this kind of questions they are expecting from you under operator precedence parsing. If you are able enough to answer such kind of questions, means you are ready for GATE exam on the perspective of operator precedence parsing. Okay, so Nagarkoti has answered, Nikhil has answered, Soumya has answered, Poshali has answered, Ashik has answered. Okay, I will discuss which option is correct and which is not. Piyush has answered. Good, guys. Very good, guys. You all are trying very good. So now I am discussing the solution, guys. Okay, Ashik has changed his answer. No problem, guys. You can answer it. No worry. You can scan each option. Take your time and answer because it will take some time to analyze, right? Okay, so now I am scanning the option one by one. Option A, guys, I am stating option A now. Star, that is multiplication, has higher precedence. So if you observe, multiplication is higher precedence. So we can't compare multiplication with plus, but we can compare multiplication with subtraction symbol. And you can directly say that multiplication is higher precedence is wrong statement because it is on the upper side. And in the bottom side, some more terminals are there. That is why statement A is false. Next statement, plus is higher precedence than star. So plus and star, we can't conclude that which one have higher precedence because both are on the same level. So it is false statement. We can't say universally, that plus is higher. That is why it is false. Statement C, plus and minus have same precedence. Plus is on the upper side, subtraction is on the bottom side. That is why subtraction have higher precedence than plus. So it is again false. And next is subtraction minus have greater precedence than star. It is true. Why it is true? Because this minus existed on the lowermost side, this existed on the lowermost side, and this multiplication symbol existed on the upper side. That is why the lowermost side terminal have higher precedence. That is why it is true. So option D is true, guys. It is true. Okay, so option D is the right answer, guys. It is the right answer. Is it clear to all candidates? The solution of this question is clear to all candidates or not? Please answer me. Please answer me. It is clear, guys. So I can move for the next question, for the next topic. Is it clear? Clear. Okay. So the next one is drawbacks of operator precedence parsing. So basically, operator precedence parsing is suitable only for operator precedence grammar. It is not suitable for the grammars which have epsilon on the right hand side, because epsilon doesn't existed in operator precedence grammar, and suppose two non-terminals existed adjacently, then again we have problem with operator precedence parsing. That is why it is one of the drawback, one of the greatest drawback of operator precedence parsing, right? So we have completed bottom up parsing. For the gate perspective, in bottom up parsing we have deducted LR0 parsing, then we have discussed SLR1 parsing, then we have discussed CLR1 parsing, and then LLR1 parsing, and then we have done operator precedence parsing, right? So up to now you can assure 4+ marks in your gate exam, guys. Up to now you can observe, you can at least secure 4+ marks, right? So now I am discussing the next slide, that is top down parsing. So bottom up parsing is now completed as of the gate syllabus, and basically this bottom up parsing is the it is the topic. Bottom up parsing is the topic which consists at 70% of gate 70% of gate syllabus for the compiler design is completed, because the weightage that is given in the compiler design, the most weighted topic are LR parsing, and we have completed LR parsing, right? So 70% of gate score you can cover from directly from LR parsing, or you can simply say that from bottom up parsing, syntax parsing, right? But there are some important parsing techniques like LL parsing technique. LL parsing technique is one more important topic under top down parsing. We will discuss that, and after that our parsing techniques will be completed. So I am starting the new topic with top down parsing, guys. I am discussing the next topic with top down